A very beautiful Thursday morning, Guruvar, Brihaspativar. In the Bharatiya Sanskriti we have the days dedicated to some divinity. So today is dedicated to Guru or Brihaspati, and again we are here full of gratitude in our hearts. We are seated here with full of gratitude and bliss here to have completed the 7 Parayanas today also. It's almost about now 1.5 months, that is about 45 days since we have started the Parayana. Siddhi or completion or success in any activity comes by grace. Bhagavan Sri Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita in the 18th chapter he says, Panchaitani Mahabaho Karanani Nibodhame Pancha Etani Mahabaho Karanani Nibodhame Sankhye Kritante Proktani Siddhaye Sarvakarmanam. O Arjuna, you understand that there are 5 factors which are the main contributors to success. There are 5 factors. Some days back, I am talking about 15 years back, there was a small get-together for the publication of a book. So a person who had studied in the foreign country, he was the technical coordinator for that particular project. So he started the talk. He said, because it's a new project, it's a publication of a book. So he started the talk and he says, in a very typical corporate way. So whenever we want to start anything, we have 5 questions. What, why, who, how, and then when. So there are the 5 questions. So he wrote the question, he brought some presentation. He put a presentation, PowerPoint, not a PowerPoint, it was a overhead projector with transparencies. He made a projection and everything. It was very nicely taken, and then after some time, the occasion for our contribution came. So then I recollected. Already Krishna has said it in the Bhagavad Gita, Panchaitani Mahabaho Karanani Nibodhame. 5 things already Krishna has said. Thousands of years back, there are 5 factors which are the main contributors towards success. What are they? Adhishthanam. Adhishthanam means the foundation from where you are starting. Karta, who are the people who are going to do it? Foundation is the institution. Karta is the one who is actually deputed for that work. Karta. Adhishthanam tatha karta. Karanam. What are the means which are going to be employed? Karanam means means. What are the sadhan? Karanam cha prathak vidam. Vividha cha prathak cheshta. What are the processes you are going to adopt for this one? And then 5th factor is, neither it is there in your hand, nor it is in Daivam Chaivatra Panchamam. The 5th factor is God. The first 4 factors, remember, the first 4 factors seem to be human. The first 4 factors, they seem to be human factors. Adhishthanam, institution, somebody has built an institution. Karta, they have chosen some people to do that work. They have put some means. Karanam, different types of means they have employed. And then Vividhacha Pratak Cheshta, they have made different processes. Ultimately, all the 4 are very powerfully done, but God's grace is not done, nothing will happen. So, if at all we are doing anything today, with so blissfully we are doing, is because of grace of Hanuman, grace of Guru, grace of God that we are able to do. So we continue with our Hanuman Chalisa. Tumhare bhajan Ram ko pave, janam janm ke dukh visrave. Yesterday we saw the meaning of Tumhare bhajan Ram ko pave. Any meditation, any worship of Hanuman will automatically reach Sri Ram. Our meditation on Hanuman, it will make us attain Ram. It will make us attain Ram because Hanuman is always there. Janam janam ke dukh bisara. Many births we would have accumulated so many types of karma because of which we accrue some different types of difficulties in this life. Sukhasya moolam dharmaha, dukkhasya moolam adharmaha. Any sorrow, any type of sorrow we are experiencing today, because of that, because of our karma only we are experiencing. So all the janam janam ke dukh bisrave, all the types of sorrows from different janmas, all of them will be wiped away by meditating upon Hanuman. Antakal Raghubar Purjai. The word Antakal means the inevitable. Everyone has to very joyfully go. Very joyfully. In the Raghuvamsha, Mahakavi Kalidas explains how the people of the Surya Vamsha, that is the kings of the Surya Vamsha, the warriors of the Surya Vamsha, they were of such a high caliber. They had a very beautiful life they led. Shaishave Abhyasta Vidyanam. Before the advent of the youth, before youth comes in, they used to complete their education. Shaishave Abhyasta Vidyanam. Yauvane Vishayaishinam. The moment youth entered, they used to properly involve in the youthful activities. Yauvane Vishayaishinam. Vishaya means all the objects of the senses. They used to involve themselves. Yauvane Vishaya. Vardhake Munivrittinam. Dasharatha Maharaja saw in the mirror that one hair had become grey. He called his mantri and said, plan the Pattabhisheka of Sri Ram. Vardhake Munivrittinam. The moment you entered the Vriddhavastha, though you don't think of enjoying the world anymore, you think of contemplating on God. Completely devoting the mind to God alone. Munivritti is God alone. Mantaraha Vedartha Tattvavagantaraha Munayaha. The ones who meditate, the ones who understand the essence of the Vedas, they are the ones who meditate upon God. Mantaraha, always meditating upon God. Vardhake Munivrittinam Yogena Ante Tanutyajam. They left the body not by any accident. They did not leave the body by accident. They did not leave the body because of some disease. They did not leave the body by force. They left it with pleasure, but in the state of yoga. Yoge enante tanutyajam. This is the most beautiful description of any clan, one entire clan. All words are in Bahuvachan. All words are in Bahuvachan, in plural. It means the entire clan of the Surya Vamsha. So here Hanuman, Antakal Raghuvar Purjai. Antakal Raghuvar Purjai. We are going to reach the Raghuvara Pura. Raghuvara Pura is what? Saket. What is it? That is just like another name for Vaikunt, where Sri Ram resides. Antakal Raghuvar Purjai, Jahan Janma Haribhakt Kahai. And there it's also called as Janma only, but you will be Haribhakta. You will be Haribhakta. What is the advantage of being a Haribhakta? A Haribhakta is Hari himself. Haribhakta is not anything different from Hari. Salokya Samipya Sarupya Sayujya Mukti. One has attained Mukti and one is blissfully there, always as Sat Chitananda Rupa. That is only through the beautiful blessings and grace of Hanuman. So let us all be devoted to Hanuman in every manner. Hari Om Tat Sat.